my channel and thank you so much for hanging out with me. And if it's the first time you're seeing this face, then hello, I'm Tanisha Roy and I make videos about makeup, skincare, product reviews, DIYs and many more. So if you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel and please don't forget to click the bell icon as well. Okay, alright, this video is not at all pre-planned or prepared video. I was just ready and just doing some other video and stuff, and I thought I really want to talk about this topic, and I have few things to share, like few tips and tricks to share with you guys, and I thought why not shoot it today only. So in today's video I'm going to share few different ways you can use your facial oil if it doesn't suit your facial skin. If you have a facial oil lying around in your house and you just don't know what to do with it because you bought it with a lot of hope that it is gonna work for your skin and it's gonna give you a very glowy, dewy kind of skin, like glass kind of skin, and very much nourishing and all the good things about facial oil we hear most of the time. All the influencers rave about, how facial oil makes their skin so good, it gives them extra food and nourishment and all, and that's the reason I also follow a lot of people, so I bought it. And I'm not saying that the product is bad, okay? I'm talking about this Nut Habit Mukhalaya Lotus Marula Delicate Night Repair Facial Oil. I have shared this review in that nighttime skincare routine with Nut Habit video, and it is actually a good oil, okay? Their ingredients list is very good. The problem is that the only bad thing here is my skin. If I touch it, I get breakout. If I do anything, I get breakout, and it is not good at all. And I thought it's a night repair, so I have a dry skin, it's gonna repair my dry skin, takes away all the flakes and all, and I'll get a very nice skin. I don't know, I just thought of it, so I bought it. But in the first day I applied it, it was nice. I thought it's working. The next day I applied it, I was like, yeah, maybe it's gonna work soon. But then nothing actually happened, and maybe because I was having all these bumps and pimples and acne naturally, and due to this oil as well, because oil just simply doesn't suits my skin, okay? I just don't know from where this putting oil kind of thing started. Like, I never remember, like I never used oil in my childhood. Like I used oil as a body oil massage and all. My mom used to do that on my skin, on my body, but I don't remember my mom putting oil on my face and rubbing it as a name of moisturization. Like I need good hydration and moisturization, and I like serum a lot, but I just don't simply understand why do you want oil on your face. Like, okay, I just don't understand. Maybe super dry skin people, they understand it, but I also have a dry skin. But yeah, I also have pimples, so I may not understand. So enough of that, why it doesn't suit on my skin, and I don't think I'll ever buy facial oil or any oil for my face in that case. But I already have it, and I guess you also have it, and that's the reason you are watching this video, and you just want to know how you can use it in different ways. So first, I use this as a lip oil. Don't eat it, okay? Just use a tiny drop on your lips, like on your, if you have done some exfoliation on your lips and all, and your lips is very, plumped up, just take one drop of it on your lips, apply it, get it absorbed a little bit, and then top it up with a lip balm that you like, okay? I felt that this boost of the power of lip balm a lot, okay? And all these tips and tricks, I have tried all of them on my own body, so be sure it's gonna work for you as well, okay? The next way I use this is I use it on my neck and collarbone, okay? Generally, I realize that though my facial skin is not okay with oil, my body is alright, okay? Maybe because my mom gave all this body massage in my childhood, so it's kind of okay with my body skin. It never caused any problem with my body skin, okay? So if it doesn't cause issues with your body skin, like if you have used body oil in your life, you can use this because it is more lighter than body oil. It gets absorbed faster than body oil. So you can use it on your neck, okay, on this area and on your collarbone, okay. Like it looks very good on your collarbone. Like if you want to apply a highlighter, use a facial oil on your collarbone, massage it, let it get absorbed, and then top it up with highlighter, and it will look so good. It will look like your own skin is very glowy and nice and good. But remember one thing, if you have applied makeup on top of oil, please make sure to remove it. Don't think that it's an oil so I can, let it sit and get absorbed, but you have also applied makeup, so please remove that. Alright, so this was second, right? The third will be, okay, I use it as my cuticle oil. Like there are so many brands that they sell all this cuticle oil and nourishment oil for your nails and stuff, and they're very pricey. You can use it on your cuticles and your fingers and massage it. Like if you have done some a manicure, or maybe you have cut your nails and all, or maybe you have done some household works and your hands is super dry, you can use this on your hand. And if you use hand cream and hand cream is not enough moisturizing for you, you can just pair up with 1 or 2 drops of facial oil, and it will work really good. Next, you can use it as a elbow oil, okay. Sometimes our elbow gets really dry because we ride, we just use this as a support and all, and it gets all this dry and not so smooth and nice. You can use your facial oils on your elbows, and it can nourish the skin there. I also use facial oils on my knees as well. Like if I do some scrubbing and all on my knees, I use facial oil there as well. You can always use this on your stretch marks and all that you often get on your thigh areas, or maybe belly areas due to workout or any stretching or anything. You can use your oils there to nourish all these places. You can always use facial oil in your DIY lip balm. Like if you're making your own lip balm with some shea butter and some old lipstick, and you're mixing it up by melting all of this down, you can use a 1 or 2 drop of facial oil in that, and it is gonna smell good, and it is gonna be very moisturizing for your lips as well. So that's all the way I use facial oil. If you use any other way, you can let me know. I don't remember any other way I do use it. No, not till now. If I find any more new ways to use it, I will let you guys know, and I will come back super soon. Until then, please take care and stay happy. Bye bye.